Hello, it's the protein folding simulation. This time the CH103 mature lineage antibodies protein folding simulation. And this is another antibody simulation to better understand how antibodies bind to the cell and how they function and all those sorts of things, and to better understand disease and antibodies in general, to cure disease and cancer and all sorts of diseases. Okay, so let's listen to music now.